What's up guys, it's Matt back with some quick tech news. So it looks like we do have the Galaxy Fold hands-on. This is from Phone of Time, so he did get a hands-on, and I just want to go over the video. So the first thing that's gonna pop out is obviously the crease in the screen. You can see it is noticeable. I did not notice that at all in the Samsung event or in the trailer, so they did a good job of hiding that, but as you can see, it doesn't look extremely noticeable with that black wallpaper, and I'm sure with the white wallpaper it won't look as noticeable. So when he does flip the phone over, you can see I'm still not loving the bezels on this. It just does not look good. It does not look as good as Huawei's, but you know, it is what it is. So it does look really nice, the clamshell design, so it does look really fluent, so I'm really impressed with this. The notch does not look too distracting at all, but like I said, I'm not sold on the bezels when the phone is in the clamshell form factor. So as you can see, he goes over some more information and stuff like that, so this definitely looks legit, looks very cool. This does have a hefty price tag of about, what is it, $2,000, so pretty nice. What do you guys think? Let me know, and I will catch you guys in the next video.